I don't know. I don't know if they're losing it or why the prices are, or what are they trying to say? What are they trying to say? Hi guys. Okay. This is an impromptu video. Y'all know what's going on tomorrow, right? Today is March 1st. From what I have heard, been texted, and got from a couple of other people that I talk with, to the sales agents that I have at a beautiful brand. I guess they were giving me a heads up or trying to see if I wanted to do something today, which I didn't, because something tomorrow is going to be crazy. Our lovely brand is increasing on March 2nd. Okay, so this is the jumbo. And from what I have heard, this beauty the jumbo Chanel double flap is supposed to be $11,000 tomorrow, March 2nd. Insane. The first thing I'm thinking is Birkin. First thing I'm thinking, Birkin. When I tell you that is screaming, stay in your lane, I don't know what else you call it. I'm thankful. This was my 19-year anniversary gift from my husband. And at first I didn't want to get this one because I was like, and he was like, no, I think if really, the first one was a maxi. He thought that one just fit me. So that bag was huge. But this was the perfect everyday, because it's going to have to become everyday bag. Everyday, casual, dressy, whatever. Baby, for the price this is now, it's a car. It's basically a car. Hold on. 74, I think it was 74. Let me see, I probably need to get, okay, I'm gonna find it. I think it was 7,400 plus tax. So, and at that 2020, huh? Oh, 2021. Yeah, 2021. I'm gonna pull the receipt up just so I can be accurate. 2021, this was either 72 or 7,400. Then it increased in 22. Yeah, 20. Yeah, I think I'm right. Okay, well, it increased in supposedly via two of my sales associates that I communicate with, and then a group that I'm in, and then two of my online reps that I deal with. So these are 4 salespeople that I've communicated with today. And I was busy, so I wasn't home to just be like, but like, really? $11,000. Do y'all see the size? I love the bag, don't get me wrong, but $11,000? You can't even drive a car without insurance. Now I'm sitting here thinking they're gonna have to come up with some kind of handbag insurance, because, honey, the way these prices are starting to get set up, yeah, your home insurance covers it, but honey, what if I run into a wreck or something? Mine comes with a 5-year warranty. It has the little Emma, I think it was the first year they started the 5-year warranty. I think I have 3 years left, or 2.5, probably 3 years left. Then what? So, okay, well, since I did that, I said I was going to do an unboxing for y'all. But what's y'all thoughts on the increase? Like, seriously, like, when is it enough? Like, when is it enough? This what, March? So does that mean we have another increase coming in October, September, November? Baby, I don't know, but y'all can look at her. So, caviar, double flap, And I think it's a wow. It was either this or what is it? The large, the medium. I think it was the medium, but I went with the jumbo. So yeah, double flap, and that's just the protective in there. But yeah, and the Mona Lisa back. But yeah, caviar jumbo will have an amazing price come tomorrow, March 2nd. So, oh, you're so sorry. Thank you. Caviar leather, gold hardware. Somebody reminded me of that. But I don't know, I didn't want silver, but now I'm just like, I probably should have did silver because silver is probably more of a everyday, but I like gold and I'm a Saints fan, so black and gold is always a win. But y'all just look at it because might help you decide if it's worth the $11,000. If I had to do it tomorrow, it would be a no. It would be a no. I would even tell my husband no. I don't care. Oh goodness, no. Like seriously, no. It's no. It would be a no. But we'll do unboxing and y'all gonna laugh because this unboxing when the last year, yeah, I've not worn them. We picked them up here because the boutique didn't have my size. Hold on, gotta put this back. Y'all know the little book that it comes with. Everything's still wrapped up. But okay, let's see. It's the box. And then I guess I'll show it to y'all first. I'll show y'all then. This bag. And it's these. Let me see, what's the name? Well, it doesn't have a name. It just says sneakers, velvet, calfskin, and mixed fibers. So that's it. That's all it says. They've not been worn, but hey, whatever. They're here. Because these are probably going to increase tomorrow too. So we'll have to just see. Probably do an update on what all is going on. But yeah. And these are classic for matching the bag. Hard to get. But that day that I did go, the salesperson I have in Saks, she was like, well, I think I got your size back there. So she went, pulled it, and boom, I was able to get them. And you know, these have increased, I think, 3 times. I think 3 times. They were like, what were they? $12.75. $12.75. So I don't know what they are now because I haven't checked. I'm not checking for them. But yeah. These are the sneakers to go with, well, y'all might want to see both the sneakers. Oh, the sneakers to go with the bag. Let me see. Let me get the bag. So, yeah. And yes, we're recording in another area. Once again, there's a reason behind it, but I'll keep y'all posted on that soon. But a different room again. But these shoes, I would say true to size. Some people say they go up a half size, but I went with my true size and no issues. It does have a little height in it, but they're comfy. With socks or without, because I know some people don't wear socks. I'm a either or, however I'm feeling that day is what I'm gonna do. But yes, the Chanel sneakers, black and gold, can't go wrong. Well, black, white, and gold, can't go wrong. And I think this that way. And that's it. What do y'all think about the increase? Like, now, LV better not come back with no increase like that because y'all need to, y'all already know that is going to be wrong. don't even try skating on up there. Like, that's not Chanel. I don't even know. I'm really anxious to see what the rest of the prices are on everything, because I had a wallet on chain that was not very sufficient with my which phone, the pros. Once I got to that, that's not a pro friendly in having all your goodies in their bag. And the Duvel, I wonder what that one is going, because I think they should make one of those in leather, like all leather, instead of the fiber, because that cotton ball frenzy stuff, it's a no. And what else did they have that I like? I wanted a boy, but I don't want a boy anymore. I don't think I'm gonna be buying any other Chanel. I think this Chanel that I have will be it forever. It'll the only forever bag that I do have. I can say that. In the Speedy, the Monogram Speedy. But other than that, anything can catch it. Anything can catch the cell block, for real. But that's gonna forever be, for one, it was an anniversary gift, and my husband won't let me sell it if I wanted to. And for another, the way the prices are going, I better hold on to what I got, because I know what I ain't gonna pay down the line. So I don't know. I don't know if they're losing it or why the prices are, or what are they trying to say? What are they trying to say? That's what I'm trying to figure that out. What are they saying? What are they throwing out there? One person told me, she was like, well, they're trying to tell us to stay in our lane. I say, but who? And with like, who lane? Who defines your lane? You. They can't define your lane. You define your lane. So I don't know. We just gonna have to figure this out. We're gonna have to see what's going on. But like I always say, if you can afford it, buy it. No one can tell you what you can buy but you. I don't care how many are on here saying, well, you don't need it. Look, you do you, and let them run whatever race they're running. I'll always run my own race how I want to, and I think you should too. So, but Chanel, I don't know. It might just be, I don't even know SLGs, because from what I'm hearing, even like the O cases and card cases and everything are, so I don't know. This is just like outrageous. The prices that I've seen are outrageous. I have not seen the boy bag prices. I have not seen the WAP prices. I've only seen the flat bag prices, and yeah. Yeah, so okay, that's all, because I was like, I gotta talk to y'all. I want to know how y'all feeling. What are y'all thinking? Some people might have had that on a maybe or a wish list. Is it still on the wish list? Is it still on the maybe list? Or is it on the list? You know? So, okay, I'm out of here, y'all. But I gave y'all an unboxing. I might start wearing it soon. I need to start wearing everything, because as we all know, tomorrow isn't primary. So, talk to y'all later. Tell me what y'all think down below, because y'all loving Chanel. Y'all think they're going a little, to the left too far, or you just don't know what's going on, because I don't know what's going on. I'm clueless. I'm like seriously clueless right now with them. So that's it, y'all. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I comment back to everybody. If you haven't hit that like button, hit it. If you haven't subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on, but subscribe by now. Come on. That's all you do is shit. You hit it just like that, or you move your mouse, and it's easy. I know some people need to know how to navigate it, so I'm just giving that description. But thank y'all for watching, and until next time, peace.